Beelink SER9, the budget beast. First up, we're kicking things off with the Beelink SER9, and let me tell you, this little guy is a straight-up steal. When it comes to bang for your buck, the SER9 is in a league of its own. We're talking about a machine that refuses to compromise on performance, even with its incredibly approachable price tag. Under the hood, you've got a beastly AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor. This thing absolutely rips through demanding tasks, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos. And don't even get me started on the storage, a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, meaning you've got ample room for all your games, files, and whatever else you want to throw at it. But it's not just about raw power. The Beelink SER9 is also incredibly compact. Seriously, this thing is tiny. You can easily tuck it away on your desk without it taking up your entire workspace. It's perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone who values a clean and minimalist setup. Plus, its understated design gives it this stealthy vibe. It's like a ninja, quietly waiting to unleash its power when you need it most. Now let's talk graphics. The Beelink SER9 packs an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060. That means smooth gameplay and stunning visuals, even on the most demanding titles. From the latest AAA releases to your favorite esports games, this graphics card can handle it all. And for a mini PC at this price point, that's absolutely unheard of. The Beelink SER9 also comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring buttery smooth multitasking and lightning-fast load times. If you're looking to get into PC gaming without spending a fortune, the Beelink SER9 is an absolute no-brainer.